Hey guys, welcome to Switzerland. Natural History Museum. You will quickly realize that visiting Switzerland's largest natural history exhibition is most like taking a trip down memory lane. A straight dive into 60s architectures and interior design while setting up a journey that will take you touch the evolution of mind. Oh my god, it's really awesome. The natural history and museum of Switzerland, you quickly realize. On the ground floor, you will find the natural history. The first and the second floor are dedicated to another large collection of stuffed and previous animals, tropical, and the largest on the free parking is blue zone around the museum is limited as these are really empty closet of parking. Oh my god, it's really a good museum. Actually outrageously so Switzerland with its glacial lakes, the Alps and wild natures. It's all very stunning. It's situated along Lake Geneva or Lake Leman, just a 30 minutes train ride away from Greva. Switzerland is famous for its wonderful snow-capped mountain and peace-loving people. The Alps and the Jura mountain cover. The mountains are situated in the right side on the pair and the Switzerland, a place which naturally beauty is famous for wonderful snow and its 100 museums are located in different regions of the country so important